In this video, I'm gonna break down a slightly lesser known passive income stream that generates me about an extra $500 to $1,000 every month. I only have to put in about 30 minutes worth of work every month. So here it is. And there she is in all of her glory, the 2014 Hyundai Accent. I rent this cash cow out to Uber drivers and regular people every month. While she may not look like much, we were averaging right around $1,000 a month pre-COVID. And here are the earnings for the last 3 months. And if you look at the top right, you'll see that we are at $584 for November so far. Bought the car strictly for this purpose. I rented out through an app called GetAround. The company handles all of the insurance, GPS tracking of the vehicle, all the liabilities. I'm just personally responsible for keeping the car clean and checking on it once in a while. Is it a great way to make some extra money? Absolutely. Would I do it with my own car? Absolutely not. There's a ton more that goes into it. If you have some questions, drop us some comments below. If you're getting some value, throw me a follow, and I'll see you soon.